Hi, this is Phil Haynes. I'm here with Leisure Outlet. I just want to talk about the Vango Bamboo 80 table. Now, the Bamboo 80 table is 80 centimetres long, 60 centimetres wide, and when the legs are extended, the legs bring the table up to a height of 65 centimetres. To extend the legs, you just need to pull them up off the table. There's a safety feature there, just need to make sure that that's locked. And I'll do all four legs. If you are on slightly uneven ground, there is an adjustment on the base of the leg, the foot there. You can either screw up, screw down, just to make sure that you've got a perfectly level surface. So I'll just flip it back over again. Great little carry handle there, so it's very practical as well to carry around. Lovely bit of branding where you've got the Vango burnt into the bamboo there. You can see that aesthetically, you can see the joints here, so it's very much of the sort of traditional bamboo sort of looking in furniture, and it will complement any tent or any driveaway awning or any caravan awning as well. Why bamboo instead of the likes of the plastics that people normally use? There's a lot of controversy at the minute about the plastics, and we're using too many plastics and petrol-based products. Bamboo is one of the most sustainable materials on the planet. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants. Some strains of bamboo grow up to 3 feet in a single day. As far as the planet is concerned, ecologically, a forest full of wood trees compared with bamboo will give off 35% more oxygen than a regular forest. So again, it's better for the planet. So if you're looking for a great table for your tent or your driveway awning or your caravan awning, you can't get much better than the Vango Bamboo 80, and it's available from leisureoutlet.com.